Sounding good, sounding good. Do you want a sneak peek? No, you have to wait. You don't want to know. You don't want to know. Pub in the paddock, and it's literally a pub in the middle of the paddock. Had 2 dirty big leeches on my foot. Couldn't get them off. Screamed, had a panic attack. I heard that you like beer. Are you feeling like a beer? I just had a Bogue. It was pretty good. So we've just packed up and I can hear it already. Sounding good, sounding good. Do you want a sneak peek? No, you have to wait. You have to wait. We have made our way up the windy road. I'm going to say it was really windy. I had the window down a little bit because I was feeling a little bit not too good, but I think it's definitely going to be worth it. We left St Helens and it took us approximately 40 minutes to get here. It was a great scenery, by the way, got to say. It was an easy drive.
Yeah, it was pretty bad.
There's a few idiots. Honestly, like Mr. B said, people that get real nervous on windy roads, they don't know how to drive, then you sort of get behind them, they start braking, they're all over the shop. But anyway, we're here. I was feeling a little bit excited today because it was quite warm. So I just come out in my puffer vest and it is freezing, and I also left, can't get my words out because I'm cold.
No, it's not.
It's not? Oh, it is. I also left the house in my hat because everyone keeps saying, how come you keep wearing your beanie all the time? But you know what? Lucky I had it in the back of Bruce because it's on my head because it's cold. We're making our way down the track. Oh, this is looking good. I don't really, sorry, what did you say, Mr. B?
I think I'm going to pay for it on the return.
I don't really know much facts about this place just yet, so you're going to have to bear with me on this one. All I know was that this one was recommended to us, so we just decided to take a drive here today. Mr. B's just given me a flashback from what happened to me when we were at Tully Gorge and I went trekking through the ferns, and he said, you better watch out here because there's heaps of ferns and I've got my Crocs on. What happened was I went hiking through the blooming rainforest to go to Tully Gorge for a swim. Unbeknownst to me, when I've trekked back, are you trekking already?
No, in the socks.
When I've trekked back, I've jumped in Brucey. We've done about a 40-minute drive. Felt a little bit of a sting on my foot. Put my foot up, covered in blood, as red as my skivvy today. Had 2 dirty big leeches on my foot. Couldn't get them off. Screamed, had a panic attack. Dave had to pull over, and yeah, the rest is history. So I won't be going too close to the ferns today. It's possible, you know, that this could be true. I heard that St Columba Falls is the highest falls in Tasmania, but I'm not 100% sure. What I did read was it was approximately 90-metre drop. So we will confirm that, but it's looking pretty high because you know what? We're going down. We're going down the track, and I think we're going to go right to the bottom actually. Can you hear it? It's pretty loud. That was your teaser through the bushes. Well, you know what? I could actually see it from the car park actually. Next 25 meters of the track has a small risk of a landslip, Okay, please reduce your exposure to the risk by not stopping on this section of the track. Okay, that means we got to power on. Beautiful was Mount Columba Falls. No, St Columba Falls. I got it wrong. Well, it's at the top of a mountain. So my stats were pretty right. It is 90 meters and it is one of Tasmania's tallest falls. So yeah, absolutely beautiful. There was definitely no swimming there. But yeah, got to highly recommend that. I'm going to say it's probably just an easy 10-minute walk down and uphill going back the whole way. Well, we made it back to the top. It did say on the sign that it was a grade 2. I'm going to say it was easy. It was pretty easy. I was in my pluggers. It said about 20 to 30 minutes, give or take. And we made it back. So we're going to go down the mountain now, see what else we can find. So we passed this beauty before on the way up to St Columba, and we thought we'd check it out on the way back. It's called the Pub in the Paddock, and it's literally a pub in the middle of the paddock. Looks like an old farmhouse, I reckon. I'm going to try and find out the history behind this beauty. Looks pretty empty, doesn't it? Looks pretty empty for a Friday afternoon. Let's go check it out. Pricilla? Hello. Oh, look at you. I heard that you like beer. Are you feeling like a beer? I just had a bogue. It was pretty good. Pricilla. So this is Pricilla the pig, and I heard she doesn't mind a beer or two. So make sure you come and see her when you come to the pub in the paddock. I did have a speak to one of the staff members here, and very informative. So basically the pub in the paddock, yep, it was an old cottage back in the 1800s, And what happened was, basically it was a homestead. The boys used to like having a beer or two, so then they decided to make it into a pub. I had a beer. Mr. B, you had a lemon lime and bitters?
Correct.
Yeah, check out Priscilla. I asked her if she wanted a beer, but she was like, not really interested. What else did we find out? There is accommodation here. There's about 6 rooms.
And a breakfast room.
A breakfast room as well. They have free camping. Loving the idea of that. There is no amenities for the camping. If you did need amenities, there's actually camping across the road and it's completely free. And there's hot showers, toilets and so forth. Open for lunch and dinner. You don't have to book and they'll never turn anyone away. I'm going to say the service in there was really good. Yeah, we were the only ones, but
and
we had a yarn.
They have a original fire.
Yeah, look at that. They are making the river bar. So who knows, maybe next time on our adventures when we're passing that will be open. It's basically going to be on the riverbank down the back, and that's pretty much from where we went to the falls and then I guess turns into the river. There's going to be the river bar down there. So the scenery here is absolutely stunning, but the pub in the paddock, completely unique. Gotta say, it does remind me of the outback pubs a little bit on the mainland, but it's completely unique. It's Tassie style. So make sure you get here. Pub in the paddock. We always end up on dirt roads, don't we?
Yeah.
This one's not too bad, I've got to say. It's not too bad. So you don't want to know. You don't want to know. Let's just say we came from that way. Ah, dear. Never a dull moment. Never a dull moment. Well, that's another episode done. How good was the falls? How good was the pub in the paddock? Did you have fun, Mr. B?
Yep. Okay.
We hardly saw you today.
Yep.
Alrighties. Hope you loved it. You know what? We'll see you next episode. Remember, if you're liking our content, leave us a comment, like, subscribe, tell your friends, and what do you say?
Oh, I've lost it. Iconic Adventures. Have fun. Be safe.
Yeah. See you guys.